with our Super Queen. Once again, welcome everyone. This is your Super Sixer Cricket Tournament, brought to you by Meral in partnership with Volcano Sports Academy. And we're broadcasting live from Al Bahia.
Are you doing the commentating?
Suresh and I.
I have. I totally like. Look, I've got a hat. I've got
You got
a
your gloves.
I've got everything.
Girl Scout. You're a Girl Scout now.
Yeah.
Always ready.
Well, it took me 3 times. Freezing.
And for our cricket fans, snacks are available on the kiosk provided by Intercat Catering Service. It's salary deduction, by the way. I'm kidding, it's not salary deduction. Our fun zone will be activated later on, so you're in for a treat. Get a chance to win amazing prizes by participating in many different games and challenges. Announcing the arrival of top honcho of talent engagement, Mr. Soham Naktu.
Soham, come to the commentary. Come to the commentary. Can you open the clip here app? Open the clip here app. Sit.
Mr. Sam just gets volunteered to be commentator tonight,
I'll also do the commentary. Yeah,
together with our amazing Mr. Suresh Sharma. I'd say the weather is still friendly.
I need to stay out of the wind. My banana, my popcorn. I have fleece-lined pants on tonight.
be careful.
Who's in there? Thanks.
Hello, hello, hello.
Check, check. And with that, we are starting the first match of the night. DTD Super Kings entering the field with Nitin Tupe and Narendra Kumar doing the opening for DTD. Let's see what this night has in store for us. It looks like it's going to be another exciting evening of Miral Super Sixer Cricket Tournament. In the commentary box today is the most handsome colleague of Miral Experiences, Soham, accompanied by the lovely Mel B of Miral Experiences. The DJ booth is being manned by the man, the machine, the DJ, Eduardo Cepeda.
What a building. No?
We have Nitin Dubey doing the opening.
Let's
No. I'm gonna eat.
And Narendra Kumar at March striker end.
Thank you.
The yellow jerseys are your DPD Super Kings, and they are playing against Rides Guardians, who are in green uniform.
He's so lovely.
The sound effects seem to be too much for me, but I am used to this team. The first ball of the evening, a full toss, and it has been declared as a no ball. Second ball of the evening, and it is clear over the bowler going towards the boundary line. Good fielding there. The ball comes back to the bowler. They have managed to score one more run. With that, the score of the match is 2 for a loss of 0 wickets. Ball 3, a beautiful shot by DTD Super Kings. They are taking a risk and they're coming for a second run, and it is at the boundary. It looks like it's 4 runs.
Excellent, boys.
Melby is a little biased towards the yellow jerseys. She's here for the DDD Super Kings alone. I think there are some IT regulations pending with them. And there is another clean sweep towards the boundary, and the fielders are struggling to catch the ball, and they have managed to get 2 more runs, which bring their total to 10. Next ball, beautiful shot going straight to the boundary, and there's a fielder there, so he should get 1 run. So far 5 balls have been bowled and the score is at 9 runs.
Bowler?
Last ball of the first over, and it is hit. The bowler almost caught it. The ball is going straight to the boundary line and nobody there to stop it, and it is a boundary to close the first over. With that, end of 1 over, Delhi Super Kings are at 13 for 0. Narendra Kumar on strike. Zeshan Ali has been an expensive bowler, giving away 12 runs and 1 no ball.
Gonna run it. There's no ball. Oh,
Few changes in the fielding layout. Next bowler is Sadiq. He has so far taken 2 wickets and played 2 matches. First ball, and it was a beautiful delivery. The wicketkeeper has misfielded. That has given them a run. The DTD Super King batsmen are quick on their field, and it was a wide ball. Siddiq bowling a ball. The ball has been hit square off and it is gone straight to the boundary line. Well done, Narendra Kumar. Another 4 under his account. With that, the score now goes to 19 for loss of 0 wickets. Suspenseful music provided by Eduardo Sapida. Very Bollywood, very suspense. Another hit. Offside seems to be Narendra Kumar's favorite side to hit the ball. And they have got another run. Total 20 runs at the loss of 0 wickets at 1.2 overs. The batsman and the umpire are discussing the menu being served today at the food counter, and if the samosas still available. Next ball being bowled, a beautiful delivery. It was a very close call, they've still managed to run and get one run out of it. DDD Super Kings for 21 for loss of 0 wickets. It's been 1 over and 3 balls. Sadiq at the bowler end, getting ready for his run up. That was a very good ball. Went straight to the wicketkeeper's gloves. No runs for that ball. Sadiq coming back in his attack form. His bowling getting better and better. It was a nice flick of the bat. Sadiq almost caught it. Missed it by a few feet, but that was a very, very good bowling displayed by Sadiq. Only 1 run. This partnership is now 22 runs. They have played 1.5 overs. This is the last ball of the second over. Sadiq making the pressure increase on DDD Super Kings. Again, a very nice straight drive, straight to the boundary. There is a fielder there. The ball has been stopped. They have managed to get 2 runs. That very good running between the wickets. And at the end of 2 overs, the score is at 24. DDD Super Kings. DDD Super Kings have a strike rate of 12, which is an amazing strike rate. Average of 12 runs per over. 2 overs down.
In their projected score with this current run rate is 72. In batting is Nitin Tupe.
Nitin Tupe on strike, yeah. Mr. Tupe comes from Maharashtra, which is the home of Mr. Tendulkar himself and many others who are. There is a truck driver amidst us who's kind of trying to honk at every opportunity. I don't know what vehicle he's driving. The next bowler that we have is again Zishan Ali. There seems to be a lot of excitement with DDD Super Kings team on the boundary. The bowler is taking his run up. He is ready, and so is Narendra Kumar. And the ball was right straight to the wicket-keeper's gloves. No runs given.
It's a white ball.
And it was a white ball.
Yeah.
So they get 1
that
run.
is 1 run and reball.
1 run. He'll have to bowl the ball again. Zishan Ali feeling the pressure straight on the bat, and that goes straight to the boundary line. There's a fielder there, a little bit of misfield. The ball comes back to Zishan, and they have managed to run between for 2 runs already. Well done.
Well fielded as well. And
Well-
we need to comment, DDD Super Kings, they were a few players down with injuries, but they came in full force to play a beautiful match of cricket.
The DDD Super Kings team has had a few injuries and a few not so good weather bugs, which has taken their strength down. They are playing with their so-called B team. But as you know, the IT department always has a backup plan. So they are here with their backup plan. Contingency is the name of their business. The ball is very close to the batsman there. That was a high risk throw. The wicket keeper has thrown the ball, and they have received 1 additional run thanks to the misfielding.
There was a very good chance for a run out, but yeah, it didn't hit the stump.
Nitin Tupe back on strike. The score is at 30 in 2.3 overs. The current run rate is still 12. They're looking comfortable. And that is a magnificent shot right outside the boundary.
All the way for 6
First 6 of the tournament.
of the inning.
Of the inning, sorry, of the inning.
Girl.
Well done. Nitin Tupe.
DJ is
It's now
rock star
150.
today. Next ball coming around to Mr. Nitin Tupe. There's a small miscommunication there, but they managed to be clear and safe. There is 1 run added to their total. With With that, we are coming to the end of the second over. One more ball to go. Last ball of the third over. That is again a very high risk appetite of Narendra Kumar.
End of third over.
3 overs down, 37.
37 runs. And the current run rate is still 12.
The current run rate is 13.6. Suresh Sharma has joined the commentary box.
That's not his forte.
Thank you, Soham, for acknowledging at last.
When people live in your hearts, you don't acknowledge them often.
Yeah.
I love it.
Since we are doing Indian melodrama, let's do it properly.
So dramatic. Next bowler.
DJ Ed in the house, keeping the crowd entertained. The pressure on the batsman is up. The bowler is coming around, and the first ball goes straight to the wicketkeeper. It's been a wide. They just get a run. The wicket has come a little early,
And the bowler bowling is Nagendra.
and a beautiful shot that goes all the way to the boundary line, and 4 more runs to DTD Super Kings. Narendra Kumar is on fire. Call the fire brigade.
That was Nitin Tupe.
Sorry,
He's on
Nitin.
20 runs
Nitin Tupe is on fire. Call the fire brigade.
with a strike rate of 200. So once he gets 25 runs, the batsman has to retire as per the rule.
And again, a wild swing. The ball went behind the wicket keeper. The fielder is there. The fielder is trying to taunt him to take another run. Try, but they were very safe. They stayed to 1 run only.
Second ball of the over. And that's a no
And
ball.
the ball went above the batsman's head. They still ran for it, and they're getting 1 run and a no ball.
With a free hit. So
With a
the
free hit.
next ball, the batsman can get out except if it's a run.
It's time for a free hit. The umpire has shown it's time for a free hit. The sign for free hit is there, and it is a wide going all the way to the fielder.
Right?
The support crew is here. They are here to cheer for their teams. This is the only time that we are happy that DD team is on the ground. Otherwise, we are always complaining about them. Happy days for them.
Oh, hit up in the air, catch up. Oh,
That was a missed opportunity. The ball was high in the air. There was a good chance for a catch out, but 3
Yeah.
fielders, 1 ball, and 1 batsman. So I guess the batsman won.
fielder misses the position of the ball. And both the players survive. Narendra Kumar on strike.
With 21 runs, Nitin Tupe is 4 runs short, and Narendra Kumar is on strike with 17 runs so far. And that was a wild swing, and the wicket-keeper was trying to catch the ball, but he caught air instead. A good save for Narendra Kumar. And it's a no ball to make it even worse for Ride Guardians.
Free hit still stands.
The free hit is still on. I think the Ride Guardians need to bring their lock and tag keys. I think they have not done their lockout tag out training in the recent days. They need to lock out and tag out the DDD soon. As more and more supporters walk into the stadium, the atmosphere is getting warmer. It is a chilly 18 degrees here, but the heat is on.
Feels like 13.
And that was a slow delivery.
Excuse me. Upon white, they run one more run, but only one run is given. Here it's yes, white ball we run also. White ball and run on top of it. Sorry? Up. This is also there.
And the batsman has hit right at wonderful stroke right outside the boundary, and that is a clean 4 runs added to the total of DTD Super Kings. The total now is 52 for 3.4 overs at loss of 0 wickets. Nitin Tupe 56. Okay, the app updated. Nitin Tupe is retiring with 25 runs on his scoreboard. That is the rule of the tournament. A batsman who scores 25 has to retire. 56 is the DTD score as of now. Ride Guardians are ready for the new batsman.
And last ball of the over.
Sanjay Pohar will face the last ball of the over, and he has decided to choose violence for the first ball right at the boundary. 1 run only, but it was a magnificent shot.
And good fielding as well.
A great display of amazing fielding by the Ride Guardians.
The wind's not as cold tonight. It's like,
It has been colder. In the morning it was almost 16 degrees Celsius. That is not UAE weather. I think the weather has lost its way.
So Sanjay has scored 26 runs in the previous match. So he's an informed batsman.
Sanjay Inform Pohar is his middle name. DTD Super Kings looking comfortable with 14.24 of the current strike rate. They anticipate to make 86 runs. The very biased supporter sitting next to us is very happy with that announcement. And another magnificent shot goes all the way and clears the boundary. Is it a 4 or 6? It is a 4 runs added to the total.
First ball that Sanjay faced. He's struck it for 4 runs. Amazing display of hitting, power hitting.
Sanjay Pohar on strike, looking around, looking at his next victim, the bowler,
Well bowled.
and that was a beautiful ball. When violence meets a wall, you get a good ball.
I know.
We have SFX today in house, sound effects for every single joke.
Random sound.
And a good misfielding which gives them an additional run, and a wide ball, so that gives them 1 run and a wide ball. That brings the total to 63 at the 4.2 overs. We have 1.5 over more to go. That's again some good bowling there. He managed to flick it off to the leg side. The bowler is ready to receive the ball. Just 1 run.
Well,
That is magnificent. The ball went over the boundary, above the mountain, into the canal next to the stadium.
into the crowd. Well hit. Really good display of power hitting by Sanjay Pohar.
If out of the park had a example, it would be Sanjay Pohar.
And the current score stands at
Sanjay Pohar is at it again. No, Narendra Kumar is at it again. Almost between the players, fielders trying to scramble to catch the ball. 2 more runs. Coming closer to the end of the 4th over. The score has reached 70, which is an amazing target, good misfielding, and 1 more run added to the total. 73 is a very big target to chase. The pressure on the engineering teams of Ride Guardians is increasing. We have another retirement of Narendra Kumar, who's been replaced with a new batsman fresh from the stables, full of energy. He's had 3 samosas so far, so he's really up there, and some karak chai. Somebody catch this DJ. This DJ is having too much fun. And a beautiful shot. Another ball goes towards the boundary. The fielder is there. He stops the ball. Only 1 run. There can be a run out, but he is back into safety. The next new bowler who's entered the field is Prakash Thangavel. Sanjay Pohar, the violent batsman, is on the strike. Sanjay Pohar has tried to flick it, and there is a run out. Let's see if the umpire announced out. Yes, so it is a clean out. There was a lot of miscommunication between the runner and the batsman, and we've had the first wicket for DTD Super Kings. The batsman who's gotten out is Pohar. They say big things come in small packages. That's your example there.
It's not refreshing.
The app is having some technical glitches, so I might not be accurate in my names, but again, 1 more run added to the score. The umpire is showing leg by. Oh, that was a close save there. Good bowling, good bowling. If I knew the name of the bowler, I could tell you who the bowler was. But we are having the whole DDDs on the ground, so nobody is fixing my application here.
I think it's Sanjay, Sadiq. Sadiq is our
Sadiq is back, bringing threat and fear in the batsmen, but no, there is no time to be afraid. The ball is going towards the fielder. They have managed to take a risky second run, and there are 2 runs in more to the total.
At the end of 5.4 overs, it's 75 runs for 1 wicket.
We have 5.4 overs down with 75 runs at loss of 1 wicket. We have Prakash and Vijay on the pitch.
Okay, that's right. Actually, this is 5.5 overs with 78 runs at the loss of 1 wicket. Last ball to go for the inning.
That's a clean, bold, wonderful wicket taken by Sadiq, the terror, who has managed to make sure the router of DDD has been removed from its socket. Loss of 2 wickets for DDD, and the Wi-Fi connection is very weak. And with that, we have closed the innings of DDD.
What were they chasing? 79s to reckon? 78? Is 79 the record this time?
म्यूजिक इस्तेमाल करेंगे नॉन कॉपीराइट जब मैं वीडियो अपलोड करूँगा यूट्यूब पे तो कॉपीराइट
Sorry. So don't use copyright music.
don't use copyright
because of your YouTube video.
upload video as option of copyright this is back side
Calling on Blue Hearts and YB Blasters to the stage area for registration and toss. Calling on Blue Hearts and YB Blasters to the stage area for registration and toss.